Hi, my name is Andrew Powers, and I'm a general surgeon. As a general surgeon, I have a lot of great training in taking care of problems with the gallbladder, problems with the appendix, problems with the large and small bowel. I do have a particular interest in abdominal wall reconstructions, and I am happy to take care of breast cases as well, both benign and malignant. I chose medicine because I had a really strong interest in the sciences and found it fascinating, but I also really enjoyed taking care of people. So pursuing medicine was a very natural choice. I did grow up on a dairy farm, and my mother was a veterinarian, so I had a lot of hands-on opportunities as a child, both on the farm and with my mother. And the combination of those two experiences really made general surgery a very natural choice. In my spare time, when it's cold outside, I like to play music, play the guitar and the piano, and when the sun is out, I'm working on my garden.